If your GE top-load washer is not agitating, making strange noises, or failing to start, the motor could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll show you how to test and replace it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a block of wood, a putty knife, a 1/4 inch nut driver, and a 3/8 inch wrench or socket. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your top load washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Grab your putty knife and insert it about 3 to 4 inches from each corner at the top of the front panel to release the locking tabs. Rotate the front panel forward, lift it up, and set it aside. Plug in the power cord and grab your multimeter. Extreme care should always be taken when testing live voltage. Electric shock can cause serious injury. If you're uncomfortable using a multimeter around live power, please do not proceed with this test. Locate the motor harness. Set your multimeter to volts AC, indicated by a V with a squiggly line. If you're unsure how to use a multimeter, we put together a helpful tutorial. Check out the link in the description for step-by-step instructions. Test from the red wire with a black stripe to the white wire with a red stripe. You should see 120 volts AC. Now locate the LED indicator on the top of the motor and observe the flash pattern. If it flashes once, then pauses for a long time, or flashes 3, 5, or 9 times, the motor has failed. If it flashes 1 second on, 1 second off, continue troubleshooting. Any other flash pattern indicates a specific fault, which should be cross-referenced with the model's technical sheet. Unplug the power cord, disconnect the wires from the motor. Remove the drive belt from the motor and pulley. Set a block of wood under the front of the tub to lean the tub back. Using a 3/8 inch wrench, remove the nuts securing the motor to the drive assembly. Here's the old motor and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Set the motor in place and secure it with the 3/8 inch nuts. Reinstall the drive belt, looping around the motor pulley and the large drive pulley, and remove the block of wood. Reconnect the motor wire harness. Reinstall the front panel. We're plugging the power supply cord in, and with that, we're done. Great job tackling that motor replacement for your GE top-load washer. We hope your appliance is back to running smoothly. Share your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear how your repair went. If you need a new motor or any other part, just have your model number ready and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. You'll find what you need, and most orders arrive in just a couple of days. Thanks for letting us be a part of your do-it-yourself journey, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.